Hi everyone, we are Baked Good, an organization situated at Harvard that serves surrounding charity homes for pediatric and adult patients. Our mission is to deliver delicious baked goods to patients and their families with special focus on dietary restrictions and healthy baking. We consult professional nutritionists to make healthy recipes that are both delicious and conscious of common health restrictions. In the process, we learn healthy baking and substitution skills for our everyday use.
Join us on a baking journey. This time it's only going to be us two because it's Thanksgiving, but we are happy for you to come along with us. We rented a Zipcar and now we're ready to hit the road. We're heading to different grocery stores, making sure we get all the ingredients we need for our turkey cupcakes. We got some coconut sugar, which is a great alternative for granulated sugar, and then we also got some gingerbread houses for the kids to make afterward. We arrived at Christopher's Haven, which is a charity home located in Boston that houses families that have children undergoing cancer treatment, and this is one of the apartments where the families stay at, and this is also where we're going to be baking today.
Here we are, baking with lots of love, about to have a big family feast. With everything going on in their lives, we tried to add a little sweetness to these kids' days, many of which were an inspiration for the club.
We frosted and decorated the cupcakes, and we also left some undecorated for the families and the kids to have an activity to do together. Here we're about to surprise the families and the kids with the goodies.
Hello! How's it going?
Hey! Look at the cookie! Okay, see? Beautiful, beautiful.
And now we're going to get you to get a wrinkle like
Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are going to put it right here. Ahorita juego, mi amor, contigo.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Aquí, por favor. Okay, familia, now you can decorate your own cupcake. You have a, like they have it right there and the decoration tips, and then you can decorate it.
Baked Good, baked with love.